From replicated images and create stunning design to logos, even creating mandalas. This app has it all. You can jump right in with me. Let me show you how much fun I had with this app. A canvas, you're gonna scroll down and reach your apps. From your apps, you can search for Replicator. See, it's a featured app, but if it's no longer featured, you can just type Replicator to go find this app. So you open Replicator. It replicates linear, grid, circular, and wave, and I'm going to show you how that works. We're going to click Open the app, and on our left-hand side, the app will open up. It says it can replicate a photo, a graphic, or text element to any design. So let's start with text. So you're going to press T for text. For our example, we're going to use P. You can pick a font now, but you will see at the end, it's going to still ask you which font do you want to use. And once you've typed the letter, you click on Replicate. So if it recognizes the graphic or the text or whatever you've added on, it will start opening up a screen and replicate what you've added there. At the moment, it's replicating linear. As you see, it's highlighted on linear 4 times. That's why it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the count. If you want to make it more, it replicates like that. And when you scroll down, you can add space on the text that you've added, and then the slope, if you want it to slope whichever way. So it's quite a cool tool that you can use the size ratio and the space ratio. So if we wanted to create a beautiful design, change it with a circular, because circular makes it like circular like that. And then when you add more, it counts like that. And then if you slice it, it takes the slice away because it's circular. And then the ring count, it can make it like a ring this way. So it creates all sorts of very cool designs that you could use for your designs. And then you could play around with the different kinds of effects that are available. I like the spiral effect, and with the rotate, they just rotate. And you can rotate them and make them smaller, or whichever one that you would like. So in order for us to create this logo design, we're going to select the P. We've chosen the Tenastoria font. We're going to click Replicate, and the P is added to our replicator. You're going to change it to circular. You're going to leave it at 6 count. You're going to leave the slice because it takes away the P's. When you get to ring count, you're going to reduce it to 0 so that it creates that design. And when you scroll down and you click on continue, it asks you which font do you want to use. We will choose Tenastoria, and then it adds it to our design area. So we need to change the background so that we can see how it looks like. It looks like that, and we're quite happy with this. We just press T for text to add the name of the business, and voila, your logo is there. Now the design is added, it comes as grouped, so you can select it and change it to any color you want. Let's go with red. So I want to show you, if you're using a JPEG or a PNG, how that works. I'm gonna go to my uploads and use this eye that I've converted to a JPEG. Once you've added your image, and it could be any image, say we add an image of this beautiful little girl and we remove her background, and then we go to our replicator and we go back. So I've selected her image. I'm going to replicate. It picks her up like that. So you could use a grid, a circular, and a wave. Like we've said, it's up to you. And the count works that way. And the space and the slope. And if we are happy, it says add to design, and it adds like a replicated image of her to the design. It's cool, right? Let me know in the comments below if you think this is cool. We're gonna go back and we're going to replicate this eye. We're gonna select a replicate, and we're gonna make it circular, and we're gonna see if we can create a mandala. So you add the count, and then you add your ring count. We can leave the space, then you can add your slide. So if we add more, looks like that, and when you rotate it, it tweaks like that, and it creates that beautiful mandala on Canva. Just as a by the way, you can always again also duplicate your images. I selected the two, then I said replicate, and they were added, and then I went circular and I increased the size, and then I added my ring count, reduce the ring space, make it more like a 30, so you can have it fuller like this. And then when you slide it, rotates and it looks like that. So you can play around with this and let me know in the comments if you're going to be using this tool for your logos. Tag me if you are on social media and show me your designs. Canva recently updated, so you can go watch this video that's going to let you know the changes that Canva has implemented. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you on our next video.